just woke up around 5:50 something in the morning, and they're using a small aircraft to fly overhead and engaging in a noise campaign using me and my predator department, their racist officers, and using their sirens. Alright, so literally just woke up, started hearing planes flying overhead. So again, this is silent sound waking me up out of my sleep so I can hear these things. Okay? Talk to you guys in the next video.